P. Nilima, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture. Students, today we will discuss how to propagate different types of ornamental plants. Propagation is a very good topic, and that is the basic, first and basic step in the cultivation of any plants. Okay, if you see ornamental plants, there are different types of ornamental plants like annual plants, which we grow seasonally, maybe winter annuals, summer annuals, rainy season annuals. Next we have biennial plants. Almost all bulbous crops are the biennial plants. Next we have perennial plants. Those are nothing but the trees, shrubs and the herbs. And we have very beautiful climbers and the creepers in the ornamental plants. And we have different shrubs and the herbs. Apart from this, we have very beautiful palms and the cactus. So ornamental plants is a very big group consisting of the plants which may be ornamental value, maybe leaf, maybe a fruit or maybe flowers, everything, whatever ornamental value they are having, we have included all these plants in the ornamental groups. Materials required for propagation through cuttings. First one is mother plant, the plant which we want to propagate. Next one is the cutting tools like knife, scissors, secateurs. Next is the rooting media. Next we need potting mixture. Now we will see how to prepare potting mixture. So potting mixture can be prepared by using 1:1:1 ratio of sand, red soil or vermicompost, or we can use coco peat and we can use the sand husk also. We can use different types of material. It may not be exactly the vermicompost or red soil. We can use any material available to us. Sometimes we can use the potting soilless mixtures like vermiculite, perlite, rock wool, sand wool also we can use for prepare the potting mixture. Okay, this potting mixture can be filled in the pots. Hibiscus can be propagated through semi-hardwood cuttings. We can take a stem length of 30 to 40 centimeters. Just remove the lower leaves. Make sure that you are giving a slant cut of 45 degrees angle. Don't give too much angle. 45 degrees angle is sufficient. So after that, you can dip it in the rooting media. Place it in the potting mixture. Jasmine is propagated through hardwood stem cuttings. We can take hardwood stem cuttings of the jasmine, which are of previous season's growth. Just for any cutting, you have to give a 45 degrees angle. You can dip it in the rooting media and we can plant it in the nursery beds or in the pro trays or in the pots. We can take any part of the porcelain as a cutting. All these are herbaceous plants, so we consider this as a herbaceous root cutting. We can take any small length of cutting, even 5 to 10 centimeters is also enough to make a cutting. After that, even porcelain don't require any kind of rooting hormone. We can place it in the media. It's propagated through hardwood stem cuttings. Especially in the rainy season, if we are propagating the plants, no need to dip it in the rooting hormone. They will easily set the roots in the rainy season. If we are propagating in other season, we can take the help of the rooting hormone. The same way, for any cutting, we have to give a 45 degrees slant angle. After that, we can place it in the growing media. Ixora can be propagated through semi-hardwood to hardwood stem cuttings. Don't leave too many leaves to the stem cutting. Just 2 to 3 leaves are enough.
we have to give preferably the cut below the bud portion. That makes the rooting successful as compared to the cut which you have given above the bud. Temple tree is very easily propagated through the cutting. It is not having any kind of hard stem or semi-hard wood like cutting. You can take any part of the plant, any stem part of the plant, and just give a slant cut. After that you can place it in the soil or in the potting mixture. It will root within 1 week to 10 days. Coleus is very beautiful ornamental plant, delicate ornamental plant. Various colors are there, like green color, pink color, green with pink color leaves, and green border pink color leaves. Like that we have so many colors. This is dark brown color. It is very easily propagated through herbaceous stem cuttings. You can make a cut of 45 degrees angle. After that you can take so many cuttings from this one. Just 5 to 10 centimeters cutting is enough to make a herbaceous plant cutting. Okay, after that you can place it in the media. Make a slant cut below the bud portion. Okay, remove the excess leaves. After that the cuttings can be placed on the nursery bed or in the potting mixture. Dracaena has the ability to give the clumps, so those clumps can be separated. We can take those cuttings and we can plant it, and it will grow as a new plant. It will take a little time to give the roots. Okay, it will take almost 20 to 30 days to give the roots. Okay, it's a very beautiful garden plant. We can make it in the herbaceous borders. Chrysanthemum is propagated to herbaceous stem cuttings. It's a very popular garden plant and very popular cut flower, loose flower also. You can take a cutting of just 15 to 20 centimeters. You can make a cutting like this. After that we can place it in the, we can immerse it in the rooting media and we can place it in the potting mixture. Just within a week or 10 days it will give the roots.